Okay, using a Cane May SGA 91. A dinosaur antique, but very, very sensitive for carbon monoxide. This is the coolest register, so it's the most direct. The furnace is in operation right now, and we are still reading no carbon monoxide. It's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. There are acceptable amounts. Not many as far as I'm concerned, but other people and other equipment. You can't beat better than 0 parts per million. This is the furnace. Let's see how this old dog is burning. Okay. See what our flame quality's like. Looking pretty good. I do say so myself. Got a little bit of travel right there. Some yellow spots. We are going to recommend service. We always recommend service.